And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. As you can see, even in the middle of the rain, it's raining right now, and it shows you what we've been able to do on this landscape that's giving this customer back their landscape in the most exceptional fashion by focusing on being able to deal with this landscape on multiple different fronts. One of those ways was by being able to come up with this custom dry creek bed design that dealt with the water that was able to stand on this landscape. In addition, we brought in this beautiful Zeon Zoysia sod that allowed for us to be able to give this customer an amazing outdoor landscape transformation that truly turned this entire area that used to be nothing but a muddy mess into the absolute best. So now every time it rains, the customer is able to deal with this area of the landscape without ever seeing any of it wash away. If you would have watched our before videos, you would have seen that when it rained, this area was completely awash and it caused a tremendous amount of erosion. Now that doesn't happen. All the water is able to be appropriated on the landscape, and then most importantly, it's taken off the landscape. And this is one of the reasons why we become so effective at what we do, because we solve outdoor landscape drainage problems in an exceptional fashion. It also gives us the ability to know that we're one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we've proven that we give customers more than that of what could have ever been expected. So this is all brought to you exclusively by the Dirt Doctor and the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping. We make dirt look good you never thought we could. And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping with another amazing outdoor landscape transformation and drainage solution brought to you by the Landscape Doctor. Now, what we've been able to do on this customer's landscape is give them an opportunity to truly take back their landscape by being able to provide them with this beautiful 600 square feet decorative gravel installation where once they had nothing but a muddy mess. Now you can see it just finished raining, and it actually still is raining, and it shows you the reason why we love our beautiful decorative aggregate, because it allows for you to be able to utilize your landscape even while it's raining. So while it may be raining on this landscape, this customer doesn't have to worry about that muddy mess anymore. Doesn't have to worry about the dogs being able to come in and track in all that mud. They're able to utilize this space even while it's raining, and especially right after it's finished raining. Now, this is one of the designs that we put together for a customer in order to give them an opportunity to utilize their entire landscape. If you see our before videos, you'll see where this entire area that you see now, where you see green space, was absolutely dilapidated by a tremendous amount of erosion that had taken on this area. It also says that there was a lot of erosion taking place along this fence line. So I focused on a design that allowed for me to be able to bring in my beautiful custom river rock that allows for us to suck up all that water, where once we had a tremendous amount of erosion and we had a tremendous amount of that water being able to stand in one area. Now this entire landscape has been regraded and shaped out so that it is able to continue to grow in an exceptional fashion.